Hey guys, back again for another video. Today I'm checking out another Upchurch video song from his new song or new CD he released at the end of the 2018 year. So here's the video. Let's check it out and see how it goes. Most likely it's gonna be fire on top of that. So check it out.
Church. Yeah. Okay. Hey, I be posted up in park, fumes coming out my shit exhaust. Yellow lights just beaming on that gravel spot when no one's up. My glove box got beamed by the fit. Blood look big like Smith. I see your drinks on my range cause I'm.
That beat is hard, dude. I love that beat. And the visual of this video is on point, like always. His video guy is off the chain, dude.
Kid Rock if he's born in the South. Yeah, sweet potato pie and THC in my mouth. Got hollow tips and a knot. I'm so 6'1".
Hey, I love that fucking pie and sweet potato. Sweet potato is off the chain, dude. It's so good for you. I know he likes it, apparently.
We could survive. C.H.E.A.T.H.A. No, you can hear my pipes all the way into the A. C.H.E.A.T.H.A. No, this no before I was an empty stoner's play. C.H.E.A.T.H.A. I changed from the days when I didn't have a thing. C.H.E.A.T.H.A. No, I feel like I got tags to cap some rappers when I hunt shit. Ripping off of my soul forever until the ocean is an empty desert. Until a factory grows big wings and sings the fucking national anthem. I'm so river until I evolve to a monster, bro. I was a fish, now I'm the megalodon that's hungry for your butt. And I stay in the sticks with a hicks and a firearm. So much smoke out my windows, I'm hearing my neighbors dialogue. It's Mr. Cheatham County, Mr. Nothing You Can Tell Me. Mr. One of Nashville's legends, Johnny Cash will be impressed with church. C.H.E.A.T.H.A. No, you can hear my pipes all the way into the A. C.H.E.A.T.H.A. No, this no before I was an empty stoner's play. C.H.E.A.T.H.A. I changed from the days when I didn't have a thing. C.H.E.A.T.H.A. No, I feel like I got tags to cap some rappers when I hunt shit.
The end right there reminds me so much back in the high school days where I used to have all my friends just meeting up in the parking lot, just shooting bull and all, man. Hey, check this out here. Southern Pride, man. From Redneck Nation. There he is, guys. Another great video from Upchurch. It never seems to amaze me how well his video quality is, the beat, and just the lyrics of all his songs, dude, it just matches the videos to the point. He's a real smart businessman, like I said, and he knows exactly what he wants in his videos, how he wants to match the song, and he's thanks to his producers and his video guy. Y'all awesome. Y'all keep up the hard work. Continue to bring out great content and music. That's what it's all about. So, like I said, this awesome video. So if you like the video, hit the like button, comment below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. if y'all want to see more videos. And drop down below what song y'all want me to do next.